students, today we are going to do the poem The Ball. Here, the poet Johnny Berryman, he was an American. He has written many songs called the Dream Songs. From that, 385 poems he have written, and he even won the Pulitzer Prize for the Dream Songs, and he won the National Book Award too. In this poem, the poet wants to describe the reality of life. इस पोएम में वो अपने को रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ कह रहा है, जो अपने को सभी को एक दिन फेस करना पड़ेगा. और उसको ये कहने का मतलब है कि कोई भी सॉरोज ऑफ लाइफ हो, कोई भी आपकी मिजरीज हो लाइफ में, एनी लॉस इज देयर, यू हैव टू स्टैंड अप अगेंस्ट देम. ऐसा नहीं है कि यू जस्ट लूज होप एंड सिट डाउन एंड डोंट डू एनीथिंग. यू हैव टू डू अगेन everything in this life. Now the explanation. What's the boy now who has lost his ball? What is he to do? I saw it go merrily bouncing down the street and then merrily over. There it is in the water. Here the poet is talking कि one boy has lost his ball. वो ball, उसको मतलब बॉय का अब क्या रिएक्शन होगा जब when he has lost the ball. वो बॉल आराम से cheerfully jumping up and down it has gone in the street, and because बॉल क्या हुआ था, उसके हाथ से निकल गई थी. It has skipped from the boy's hand, it went down the street and then fell down into the water, down in the river. No use to say, oh there are other balls. An ultimate shaking grief fixed the boy as he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. I would not intrude on him a dime, another ball is worthless. Now he senses his first responsibility. Poet ऐसे कह रहा है कि कोई benefit नहीं है if you go and console the child by saying कि दूसरी बॉल ले आओ, या ऐसे कह के कि oh in this harbor many balls have been gone. That child is full of sorrow. He is very sad क्योंकि उसकी जो childhood memories थी वो सब down in the river उसमें चली गई है. And he is very very sad क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी जो sweet memories थी when he owned it now are just under the water. वो water में उसके लिए ये loss unbearable है. He is very grief stricken. He is trembling with fear. Poet says कि it's of no use कि हम उसको वापस पैसे दे के नई बॉल खरीद लें. ये एक नहीं, अब ये टाइम आ गया है कि that child should know about his responsibility. That इसकी belonging, he should know. Sense of belonging उसमें आनी चाहिए. He should learn the responsibility of taking care of his own belongings, of his own life. In the world of possessions, people will take balls will be lost always, little boy, and no one buys a ball back. Money is external. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes the epistemology of loss, how to stand up, knowing what every when one must day, know and must know many days, how to stand up, possessions, ownership. अब यहाँ जो वो बात कर रहा है पोएट, वो ये कह रहा है कि उस बॉय को अब ये लर्न करना चाहिए कि ये जो मटेरियलिस्टिक वर्ल्ड है उसमें बहुत सारी उसकी बिलोंगिंग्स लॉस्ट होगी. ही विल लूज मैनी थिंग्स. यहाँ उन्होंने बॉल को पर्सोनिफाई किया है टू द बिलोंगिंग्स ऑफ द पीपल इन दिस वर्ल्डली थिंग्स. उसने कहा बहुत सारे रिलेशनशिप्स है, उसके साथ जो पोजेशंस हैं, ही मे लूज दैट ऑल्सो, बट उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि ही कैन नॉट बाय बैक सच थिंग्स. जो लूज हो गया है, ही कैन नॉट बाय देम. Yes, द पोएट वॉन्ट्स टू टेल अस कि मनी कांट बाय यू एवरीथिंग. वो आपको हर चीज़ बाय करके नहीं दे सकता. मनी यू कैन बाय सम मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स, बट जो सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंगनेस है दैट यू विल नेवर बी एबल टू बाय. सो द पोएट वॉन्ट्स टू से कि दिस बॉय नीड्स टू स्टैंड अप. He needs to stand up against the sense of lost things. He has to try. He has to accept the miseries of his life. He has to stand up against everything. ये नहीं है कि वो सैड हो जाए, डिप्रेस्ड हो जाए, he leaves hope कि अब मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर पाऊँगा. No. Of course, you will lose your even most near and dear ones. पर उसके लिए अपन होप और डिज़ायर और अपनी लाइफ तो लूज़ नहीं कर सकते. यू नीड टू स्टैंड अप एंड कीप ऑन डूइंग योर थिंग्स. नाउ द लिटरेरी डिवाइसेस यूज्ड इन दिस पोएम इज anaphora, use of repeated words in 2 or more lines. Means what is a boy, what, and merrily bouncing merrily over. So what is used 3 times if you see repeated, merrily is used twice. So that is called anaphora. Assonance, I have already told you in your other poems also. Repeated use of any vowel sound. Here the vowel sound is O and E. And I have given the examples. Then is imagery. He has used the imagination of a ball merrily bouncing down the street. Repetition use of word, the ball is used in the whole poem. Acidaton, it means no conjunction is used in a sentence. Means by using comma आपने उस sentence को पूरा किया है. You have not used any conjunctions like and, but or anything. A dime, another ball is worthless. Then is the alliteration. Alliteration है use of sound B. Buys the ball back. Rhyme scheme. There is no rhyme scheme followed in this poem. It is a verse, free verse. तो यहाँ जो poet है, he is talking about that little boy who has lost his ball. I told you he was playing and the ball has gone away and down the street and in the river. He says the boy is very helpless and he is just seeing his ball which has gone in the water. He is even very sad. He is trembling with fear. He has got immersed in sorrow. पर poet कह रहा है कि you need not go and console him. कि oh, there are many other new balls. Let's get a new ball. We will buy you a new ball. No. You have to stop this thing. Yes, money can buy new ball, but it cannot buy the memories and the feelings that were attached with the ball. So now this poet wants, that is the message of this poem, that the boy has to learn the toughest lesson of life. He has to accept the harsh realities of life, that one day we will lose our loved ones and our loved things, but we cannot buy with any money back, because money cannot buy all these things. And that harsh realities you need to face. So that is what the poet has tried to tell us through this poem.